Hey peeps, this is just a quick update video because I've done a thing. I've done a thing on the T4. I didn't film it because it's the hottest day of the year so far, and it's just ridiculously hot. So I just wanted to get it done, and I managed to get it all done in the morning. The paint dried really quick. Yes, I painted something. Yeah, I think it looks really good. I went for the vintage vibe. Basically, I painted my wheels. All right, let's get into it. I wanted to go for the vintage look like you lot have seen. I've done the steel wheels with a slightly bigger profile tyres for comfort, and I put the chrome dome centre caps on. Well, I've been looking at old vintage vehicles and stuff and what they do, and a lot of people, what they do is they paint the centre of the wheel the same colour as the vehicle. That's what a lot of vintage steels do. But I wanted to give that white wall vibe. This doesn't really give a white wall vibe, what I've done, but it's in that region of look, do you know what I mean? But anyway, this is what I've done. I've just painted my wheels, and I think it looks rather good. See what you think. This is what it looked like before. Black steels, chrome dome hubcaps, and just tyres. That was it. And this is what it looks like now. There you go. What do you think? I think it looks rather good, don't you? Look at it. It's so bright out here. I can't really see what I'm looking at. But look at that, people. Look at it. I'm loving that. Starting to need to get a little skirt on, a little splitter on the front and stuff. Maybe some sidebars. Bring it right to the floor, that wheel, though. But, yeah, I'm loving this look. Loving it. Anyway, peeps, that was just an update video of what I've done. It looks really good with the seats I've got in it. I know the seats are an off-white. I actually wanted to do an off-white on the wheel, but all I had was gloss, and I couldn't be asked to go to the shop. So I might still do that an off-white yet, but I think it looks rather good. Anyway, peeps, just an update video on what I've just done. So if any of you lot are going to be at Viva Skeg Vegas this weekend coming, I'm going to be there. So if you spot me, come and say hi. You might have to remind me of who you are because I'm terrible with faces and all that lot. And when people comment on my videos, I can't see your face. So you'd have to remind me who you are. But that's where we're going to be this weekend. Viva Skeg Vegas, baby. If you pop down, if you see me, come say hello. Okay? Don't forget to like and subscribe and all that bollocks. See you in the next one.